Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to tackle about the topic about age world problem. Our problem here is Lisa is 4 years older than her brother Tom. In 6 years, the total sum of their ages will be 50 years. How old are Lisa and Tom now? Okay, let's answer this problem. Let Tom's current age will be X. So let's create a table. I created table here. X, since Tom's current age, let's put it on X. And let's Lisa's current age is X plus 4 because we don't know their current age. So in 6 years, Tom will be X plus 6. So it's here. And Lisa will be X plus 4 plus 6. We put here because it is in the future. X plus 4 is the 4 years older and plus 6 in 6 years. So let's move on. Let's use the equation to get their current age. X plus 6 plus X plus 10 equals 50. So we got the 50 years. Or let's simplify the equation to X plus 16 equals 50. To get the value of X, let's subtract 50 minus 16 equals 34. So that the result will be 2X equals 34. To get the value of X, divide by 2 both sides so that we get the value of X to 17 based on the solution. Tom's current age is 17. So the current age of Tom is 17. Since Lisa is 4 years older than Tom, 17 plus 4 is 21 years old. So here's the solution. X plus 6 plus X plus 10 equals 50. Simplify. 2X plus 16 equals 50. 2X equals 50 minus 16. 2X equals 34. So subtract both sides by 2. So 34 over 2. 34 divided 2 is 17. So 17 is the age of their current age of Tom, and since Lisa is 4 years older than Tom, so Lisa age is 21 years old. So in 6 years, so we find the age is 50 years old, 50 years in total in sum. So in 6 years, substitution 17, since Tom is 17, in plus 6 years, plus 6 plus Lisa is 17 plus 10 equals 50. Substitution. To get their future age in 6 years, let's use the equation for Lisa to X plus 4 plus 6. Using the substitution method, X 17 plus 4 plus 6 equals 27. And for Tom, let's use X plus 6, X equals 17 plus 6 equals 23. So in 6 years, Lisa is 27 old and Tom is 20 years old. The total of their ages is 50 years. So the answer, the sum of their ages in 6 years is 50. So Lisa is 27 and Tom is 23. 27 plus 23 is 50. And that's all, and thank you.